Hey, you too. We did it again. Me and my wife, we just picked up a 03 CBR600RR. We paid $1,500 for it, which is an absolute steal. Came with a clean and clear title, and it has around 19,000 miles on it, which is pretty amazing for the year. I really like this bike a lot, to the point to where I told my wife that I'm probably going to end up selling my 06 just because I prefer the first gen RR, the actual 03. There's a few reasons why. The 03 model didn't come with the cat, so I thought that was kind of cool. Obviously, it being the first year of RR, that alone is so cool.
Yeah.
The fact that it's an 03 and it has such low miles, and she purrs like a kitten, guys. Flawless. The bike right now, obviously it was dropped. Me and my wife, we took the tail off of the bike just because, as you guys can tell, the tail is done. Yeah, the guy dropped the bike on this side. Me and my wife, we realized that the bike is re-geared. I haven't counted the sprockets, but it has a speedo healer on it, so clearly they re-geared the bike. Let's see what else. We'll do a little walk around. Come on, little mama.
All right.
You can just kind of show them some of the damage. Like right here, this part got cracked. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Pretty small stuff. I'd say this is her beautiful side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the pretty side.
Yeah, it's the pretty side right here. But she's a gorgeous bike, and I couldn't pass it up. As soon as I saw the deal, me and my wife, we went to pick this bike up. So, and you see the speedo healer mounted up here. This bike has a FMF exhaust system on it. I thought that was actually really wicked.
Really cool.
Because that's usually a predominant motocross / ATV company. So I thought that was pretty cool. But I'll go ahead and I'll do a little cruise. It's freezing right now and it's raining a little bit, so I'm not about to get on it at all. This is mostly just so you guys can hear the pure beauty of the FMF exhaust.
Show 'em, baby.
But yeah, if you guys can't tell, I'm keeping the 03 and I'm selling my 06. If anyone's interested, I'm selling my 06 for the low. Bike's fully warmed up. We'll take it for a little cruise.
Let's do it. God, beautiful. I love it. Love it.
It's freezing.
It's so cold.
Double R.
Double R, baby.
We'll go for one more cruise.
Go ahead. It is wet out here. Oh, that is so funny.
I love this bike.
I love it.
Here, come show them, little mama. Mileage on the bike. She's got 19,251 miles, guys. And she doesn't skip a beat. But definitely stay tuned. Like I said, I'm keeping the 03. I'm selling the 06. I have no reason to have two CBR RRs. And I just prefer the 03. I also like the fact that the guy lowered it. You know what I'm saying? So
Yeah.
now my wife, she can actually get on the bike and ride, you know? My wife, she's pretty short, but she's beautiful as can be. So definitely expect a video of my wife riding this. This would be her first big bike that
Yes.
she's ever ridden. But stay tuned, guys. Peace.
Peace.